Okay, I just did a live stream with Kaizera, and we went to familiar places, but I also went to places she's never been before. And she followed me the whole time. Yeah, here's Princess. There's Locket. That's Ethereal. And here's Kaizera. She is hydrating after her long walk through the woods. And we went the long way around. And she did so good. She followed me the whole time, everyone. She's so smart. Yeah, there's Princess. Hey there. She's got to take a break. She says, I'm taking a break. And there's Locket. Locket, say hello to everyone. Yeah, and here's Ethereal. Hey, Locket. Hey. And there's Princess. Well, hey, Ethereal, I'm going to give you some attention, too. I'm going to give you attention. Oh, look, I want to play. Do you want to play? Can I get your tummy? Can I get your tummy? Yes, I'll get your tummy. Oh, playtime. Oh, there's lots of birds out here for him to listen to. Yes. Hey, Princess. Hey, Princess.